Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, I am not sure if this helps matters for this guy in any way. They say show me your friends and I will tell you who you are. Guys, I bring you this. I stand with Hushpuppi, says Bobrisky. So that's the headline that we're contending with. Bobrisky has come out in the public space to stand by Hushpuppi with regards to the travails that is going through at the moment. We all know the storyline, and the person that is showing solidarity is no less a personality than Bobrisky. So again, the headline, I stand with Hushpuppi, says Bobrisky. So now let's see now what manner of backing the guy or girl is showing Hushpuppi. Crossdresser Idris Olanrewaju Okuneye, popularly known as Bobrisky, has pledged his loyalty and support to Hushpuppi, who was recently arrested in Dubai. Ray Hushpuppi was arrested on June 10 by the International Police Interpol over multiple fraud charges. His arrest caused a stir as former associates and friends began to detach themselves from him. Bobrisky, however, pledged to remain firm in his friendship with Hushpuppi. He also condemned those who before Puppy's arrest begged for financial aid and now are against him. Many of us are just the biggest hypocrites ever. Before his arrest, many of you were in his DM, comment section, kissing his ass, etc. But immediately you heard about his arrest, your true self came out. If you don't like him, stand on your ground. Stop faking love when you see him and then go behind to call him names. To cut the story short, be yourself and stop acting two-faced. I stand with Hushpuppi. Many of you will insult me under this post, but guess what? I don't care, he wrote. So there you have it now. This is just the funniest of things. I never even knew that Hushpuppi and Bobrisky were pally-pally. So that's strange bedfellows right there. Literally and figuratively strange bedfellows. So that's the one element. The second element is the solidarity now, because of course when somebody is being detained for the things that somebody like a Hushpuppi is being detained for, the tradition, especially within Nigeria, is to dissociate from them, to say I only knew him casually, I only used to wave at him from a distance or not whatnot, because you don't want the yawa coming in your direction. But this Bobrisky now is standing in solidarity with this guy, which should be commended just as an act in itself, leaving aside the personality is concerned. So that act of solidarity for a friend in need is always to be commended. But then of course we have to ask if this act is altogether altruistic. Is it a selfless act? Is really what the question has to be, because there's a thought that this might well be a calculated move by Bobrisky, so that when this guy does come out of whatever travails, whatever troubles he's in, when this guy does come out, he will of course remember the people who stood by him in his time of need. So this might well be a money move by Bobrisky, or am I being too cynical? Conversations in the comment section. Come tell me if you think I am being too much of a cynic, or you think this is just a selfless act by a loyal friend. Whatever your thoughts are, come share them with me in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me now what you're making of this move now made by Bobrisky in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on within the comment section. But here, I say, peace.